Hey guys, so this is Lawrence. Today let's talk about a sensitive topic. There are certain jobs in the world that the workers, when they're performing the functions, they may get injured. So if an employee is getting injured, he may receive some kind of compensation from the insurance or from the employer directly. So today's topic is about the difference between all this and whether he's going to pay tax for such payment he receives. Okay, first, if it is not insurance, let's say this is a compensation agreement between the employer and the injured employee that they mutually agreed to settle this injury or accident with, let's say, $500,000. Okay, this one, as far as the focus is the physical injury. For example, the worker he lost a finger, something like that. This is not taxable. Okay. However, for the same accident, if the payment is from health insurance or accident insurance that the employer paid for, the settlement, depending on which kind of accident the employee got, if it's non-recoverable, the settlement payment is not taxable. If the injury is recoverable, for example, he got a cut on the arm, it's quite severe, but after half a year is fully recovered, the employee is not suffering any further pain or inconvenience, such compensation, it is taxable. There's another situation that some technicians, they sometimes buy insurance themselves on top of the employer's employer paid insurance. So if the employee fully paid his own insurance, and this insurance is compensating him for such injury or physical damage, such settlement is not taxable. And one further step is recent years we hear more and more stories that okay, employee due to the emotional stress, he sued the employer and received some extra money due to the emotional distress he got. Okay, for such thing, again, if it is a emotional distress associating with a physical damage, it is not taxable. If there is no physical damage, it's only because of the lot of pressure at the work or some disagreement between the employee and the company or the supervisor, and the employee suffered a lot of emotional pressure and become distressed. Such compensation, it will be taxable because, again, this emotional problem is not associating with any physical damage. Okay, so this would be today's topic. Of course, it's subject to a lot of further details. If you have any questions, please drop me a line or you can approach a tax accountant nearby. Thank you.